Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another French Fried Trains Minecraft Showcase, where we look back at some older builds newer subscribers might not know that we have done. And this is WECX 801. It is the world's largest rail car, and it's what's known as a Schnabel car. And it runs on 36 axles, and you can see there's two sides here, which allow oversized loads to be safely transported over rails and around curves. And if we come here, you can see there is a control cab on each end of this, which you can actually go inside of here, because they, in real time, move the load side to side and up and down based on the curve that they're going around. And here is the loaded version, and you can see it's actually two halves, and the load is actually suspended in between the two halves here. And these blue parts lift it and turn it based on what the operators say. So this is what the loaded version looks like. And if you want to build this car in Minecraft, I do have a tutorial up for it already, which I will have linked in the description for you here. So you can see once it has a load on it is even bigger. And it does take a lot to build, but it turns out pretty cool here. So this is what it looks like, and I just wanted to show this off for any new subscribers that might not know we have already built this car. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.